who that? No Jamaican P man. Want to say good morning. Zee. Want to say good morning to all of the mothers them. Zee. I hope some of you find the strength to get up this morning and give no mother a call. I hope some of you find strength to get up this morning and forgive no mother to pussy clad for the sitting them on the say no mother do. Zee. Zee. Hope you have strength to do all those things. Now me see one boy come left message on my thing. And I say me Jamaican P is a batty boy. And me figure suck my mother and Ray. Hey Mr. Pussy Wall. Yes, Mr. Licking blood clot pussy wall. Where suck underneath your mama pussy. You figure right and crawl right back underneath your mama pussy where you belong. Some of you look like you need to go back underneath there. You bumbo clot, pussy well. Let me tell you some pussy. You can never come to my thing and try this Jamaican P. Because before you diss me, you already diss your stinking dirty mama pan Mother's Day. You bumbo well, And anyone who want to run back and come back to my video, go suck out your mother. Pam bumbo clot Mother's Day. Bumbo clot, no found no respect a blood clot. For no pussy clot mama. That's why enough for uno boy no respect for no girl. That's why enough for uno boy abuse no blood clot girl. I don't know if you treat no pussy clot girl. That's why I wanna come to my blood clot thing. Me wish me could have said for my mother right now. So I can go over her house right now if you go put her up on my blood clot mother. And put a kiss on my mother cheek and tell my mother say me love her. And mother don't worry about it all shit what you did to me. Me forgive you for all of it. Bumbo clot. Don't for you go make ends meet with no blood clot mama this morning. Me say no for you need to get up out of bed. Some of you girl pussy still nasty. After how long your mother blood clot. Tell you how to clean it. No for you no know for blood clot clean it. Some of you girl need to get the fuck up out of pussy clot bed and go clean no pussy clot pussy and call no mama bumbo clot Because the same way to pussy clot blood clot treat mama the same way blood clot pick you grow up and treat blood clot. Because you must think say just because mama treat so you must think say you not treat pussy clot pick the same way you do it same way. Bumbo wall That's why you pick you grow up and call bitches and blood clot sluts and shit. And disrespectful No for blood clot we are disrespect man have pick you grow up and kick down, box down, spit all pa bumbo wall thunder. Let me tell you something. Today is going to be the day. Me no want to get up. Some of boy, some of get up. I wanna wish somebody else happy Mother's Day. Some of boy get up to pussy clot, never call your blood clot girl. Me say your girl, never call your blood. Some of mama a girl too. Some of never get up and call girl mama. Bumbo clot and wish her happy Mother's Day. Wanna get up and wish girl happy Mother's Day first before you call mama. Wanna wicked no blood clot. Some of girl come first before mama come first. Bumbo wall Some of boy are waste on this blood clot That's why none of you can study me. Because I come up here come talk the truth. Don't like the blood clot truth, but the truth hurt not true. Not even pain pill can blood clot help the truth pussy clot fucking waste. Today Mother's Day. All the mothers them, all the real mothers them, all the mothers them who know say only been in a pit in them life. All when the pussy wall them a go through shit and know say them a go through shit. All like pussy wall pit in them we forget say you did this for them. I wanna see one did pay them blood clot rent. Wanna see one to pussy clot have to put food in them bumbo clot house. All I mother them me say happy Mother's Day to all I mother them. Bless up yourself all over the world. You see me I say I like good mother them when say you never run we left on the blood clot pitney and run we left on the pitney with and left on the pitney with nobody we a stranger. Bless up on no blood clot self. All like real good mother them out there. When you say you grow up you pity them and even though you grow them up to pussy clot and you teach them everything you can teach them to pussy clot, then still turn around and blood clot disrespect you. Bless up yourself bumbo clot. You see me I say see me car that bird they flying there now. I fool them one for me now. Hold on there. See the birds them, all the mother birds them. See the mother birds them, 2 cardinal birds me got down here now. See they, see them there, see them there, see them there, see them there. And them food them want. See, got 2 cardinals bird. All the mother bird them I come check Jamaican P right now. See me I say all of the mother birds them coming to check Jamaican P right now because they want the Mother's Day present. See me I say, and before me feed them, see, before Jamaican P feed them, because them over this feed right now. So before Jamaican P feed them, a gang of them over this, you know. Yeah man. So before Jamaican P feed the birds them, see it? What the fuck? I could put the camera up and pause. Yeah. Yeah man. See? That's how we deal with the thing. So throw a little feed out there for the bird them so the bird them can get them little feed and thing. So what the blood clot light are they? Come blood clot. The blood light. On there. Put on it down right there so. Chill. Yeah, but that's how it takes set up, you know. See, enough of uno now, uno get up, uno have this really bad black art. Enough of uno born with black art. And you see through your born with black art, your art never going to be pure. See, uno get up, enough of uno get up this morning, uno hear to no mama saw blood clot, but see cardinal bird there, me show uno. See him there? See him right there, so there? Yeah man, see him red bird there? See him there? Yeah man, every morning you come look for Jamaica. See him there? See him there? Pretty blood clot bird man. They say every morning you come look for Jamaican P man. So one other one day. That's what me call them, you know. Yeah man, you see what I talk about. Yeah man, I saw me translate with my bird them, you know. You see me I say, no found no boy can't study me a blood clot. Yeah man, I saw me translate with the bird them, you know. You have to know if you communicate with the bird them, you know, dog. If you don't know if you communicate with the bird them, you know, you're not gonna know if you communicate with nature. You get me I say? See all this morning now. You have mother bird, you have father bird. If you notice, you know, pay attention to the birds them. See it? Mother bird, get up this morning. Mother bird gone, see if she can get some food for her pitney them. See? Now you think say mother bird pitney them a go get older and turn around and this mother bird? No, not go this mother bird because the blood clot pitney them know which part them blood clot come from, and remember when mother bird have a blood clot go through if put food in them blood clot belly. You get to me I say? When you get to me I say no fuck no boy don't understand when me a talk, you know. That's why uno come to me thing and uno down me thing, uno do all type of fuckery because uno don't understand what me a talk about. See, you see, the Bible speaks of this all the time, you know. See? And if me go get my Bible out of my car, me have a Bible in my car where me been having in my pocket over 10 years now. The same Bible. When I go through hard times, the Bible there in my back pocket. When I go on a job interview, the Bible there in my back pocket. When I go through things, I go find a spot and sit down and the Bible take out of my back pocket. So I have my wallet in a one pocket, you know, and my Bible in a other pocket, you know, dog. See, the Bible speaks about it. Now, for you know if you read the Bible. But the thing is, not for uno. When you come to me thing, uno say, boy, oh, you cuss too much, you this and that, but uno fail to realize, say, Father God now go sin me for just cussing, you know. See, him now go kill me and take away nothing from me if he just look a bit of bad with them when me cuss. See? But not for uno get up with no blood clot, black heart. Uno ear to no pooper. Uno here to no mama. Feel little things them where no papa or no mama did to no 100 years ago. See? Uno get up, uno hold it over uno mama head, uno hold it over uno papa head. This morning is the morning where you go and get up out of your blood clot bed and say, Father God, please forgive me for this what me did do yesterday. Please forgive me for this what me did do last week. And every blood clot night, you pray to Father God. Say, Father God, please make me get that job here. Please, Father God, make me get rich. Please, Father God, make me get a chance to buy that car. Some of una blood clot pray to Father God. Say, please make me become famous. Please make me get a lot of subscribers upon my channel on social media. See? Una pray for all those forgiveness to pussy clot, but all una pray for them the fucking forgiveness to pussy clot. What happened? What happened now? Father God now listen to your blood clot. You know what I mean? Father God now listen to you because you can't fucking forgive nobody for what them blood clot do to you. Me know some don't like the truth, you know. Me know some don't like the blood clot truth, but the truth hurt, not true. The truth hurt, not true. Me say not even pain pill can mend them a truth. Not even pain pill can take away them a blood clot truth. No fuck. It hurt, not true. Not even doctor can blood clot help you. You see me I say, today is Mother's Day. All them mother them all over the world. See it? Regardless if they did bad and regardless if they did wicked and rare. We have to still bless them because without the mother them to pussy clot enough we wouldn't born. All like father them out there in the world. You got some good father, you got some dirty blood clot father out there. Some of uno father out there to pussy clot where uno pit no see uno for how long. Uno pit no see uno for how long and uno grow up around good mother. Good mother, your mother did it, your father did it to pussy clot, but you no turn around to pussy clot and can't take care of no bumper clot pitney. When I last time I found a boy buy something for no pussy clot pitney. Tell me no, when I last blood clot time, no bumper wall, you know, so you get up every day to pussy clot and a rare to pussy clot and sit there now, you see one come from good mother, good father. Not for uno come from good mother and good father, dog. See it? But what do? What no blood clot do? What no blood clot do? You know thinking dirty bomber clot. Me know say truth hurt. The truth I got hurt to no pussy clot. I don't know why you when Jamaican people I tell the truth. And when me tell the truth to pussy clot, it a kill you know. It a kill you know. Anytime I tell the truth, you know pussy clot, you know. It don't make no sense, dog. See it? See it? Today is Mother's Day. See it? And like me say, enough of uno boy to pussy clot come from good mother. But how you come from good mother to pussy clot and you not take care of your pussy clot pity them? Some of the girl come from good mother. But how the blood clot you come from good mother rasta and you not take care of your pussy clot pitney? Some of the girl run with left for no pussy clot pitney. I wanna come from good mother, you know. Bumbo clot. Some of you come from good parents to pussy clot. I wanna see one turn around and disrespect on the parents. Yeah? You know what? Damn if you do, damn if you don't. You see me I say it don't give a fuck. Saint, disrespect don't give a fuck. Disrespect no carry no feelings. You know you are going. Me say disrespect don't carry no motherfucking feelings. You know blood clot. When Jamaican people come talk to the world, you know why you Jamaican people talk to the world. Saint, but the world why you me talk. Saint, because when me talk with fucking sense. What I go do this morning? Una go get up out of the bed, una go forgive no mama for what una mama do to una now, and call una mama and tell una mama happy Mother's Day. Una pussy clot, some una to pussy clot, get up and chat una mama like dog to blood clot, and this morning you get up and you know no money in your blood clot pocket, and you know no food in your blood clot house, and who first to pussy clot your house you gone. Who for house you gone knock on door. No your mama, no your blood clot mama, no bumbo clot, wicked no pussy clot. Somehow not look attention for no mama. Cause you know say no mama did good too no. So now no mama left you make you go about no pussy clot business cause you big and grown now. You can't fend for no pussy clot self. Somehow not hold that against no blood clot mama. Pussy clot, you know fucking waste. You know no fucking sense. And that's why the world so blood clot fucked up and the world so corrupt to pussy clot. No matter how much time you go to church to pussy clot. Somehow you grow up in a church. Some of you mama can't go to church every blood clot day. You know miss a day out of church to pussy clot. Some of you mama make you life better for you. Some of you have big job to pussy clot. Some of you mama have fucking strive to bumbo clot. Fi make ends meet fi send you guys school. Some of uno no remember how much uno don't know. Cause uno no remember how much time uno mama have to buy khaki and khaki clothes and fi send uno guys school. Uno know how much that they cost. The shoes where your mama did buy to pussy clat, you know how much that they cost? The drawers them where your mama did buy, cause your mama can't even only buy for herself drawers. Your mama have to buy you drawers and buy she some jars too, and she have to buy her the cheapest. So my mother them have to buy them have to buy themselves the cheapest set of drawers and buy you now the expensive blood class set of drawers for you wear now. So my mother them to pussy clot. I forget them they want their hair done to pussy clot. And see them now they can't even get their hair done to pussy clot because they want your hair to look pretty. Some of no boy to pussy clot where get up and disrespect your mama to blood clot. Your mama want one pair of drawers and one frock or something nice to put on for go out if people look at her make she you know she look nice. She can't even do that to pussy clot because she have to buy you a pair of shoes to pussy clot and make sure say you look clean when you go out there to pussy clot. You don't know how much mama have to go to bed and cry. You know how much mama have to go to bed and cry to pussy clot because them have to cry because them not eat nothing and the one little food way in their house to pussy clot them have to take it to pussy clot and feed you know. You don't know how no mama go through. You know bumbo clot, you know for you to pussy clot claim to say you know remember where you come from to pussy clot, you get one opportunity to come America to pussy clot and want to come America, want to come do. Come turn against no blood clot mama and papa. That's what you do, you know. But you don't remember to pussy clot when your mama and your papa are just your papa or just your mama to pussy clot. I figure bed hungry. Only them remember them things there, you know. Only them remember them things there. And true, you now they know what go on. And you turn big fucking people now and still don't know what blood clot go on because your mother and your father decide to keep that to them blood clot self. See it? See it? We don't look at it like that. See it? See it? So all our mothers them out there, happy Mother's Day, dog. Some of you we are here against your mama to pussy clot and I carry bumbo clot bad feelings for your mama and wish your mama would and turn over and dead to pussy clot. Get up this morning and ask God for your forgiveness. Me say go climb down on your knees and ask God for your forgiveness and go and go call your mama and go give your mama a blood clot hug. Fuck that enough a blood clot. Don't come on social media every day. Everybody want fame. Someone wanna run with some like a pussy ass story when me see I go on blood clot social media. First of all, I whole heap a little pitney go through shit in a Jamaica. Some of we turn out to be good. Some of we to pussy clot, it probably good for we parents and go about them blood clot business. I want to know. Every day you see me on social media, none of them pussy will have no story. None of them story no catching like for me story. If me was for telling of me blood clot story, none of them pussy they were there on social media mackerel, none of them story couldn't come against my story. See it? See it? See it? Because I don't want to tell you no my story because I notice you appear ready eye upon my thing and bad mind upon my thing. That's why I don't want to tell you no my blood clot story. See Cardinal here now? See him there? See him there? I say red. Red and pretty. Psst, 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 psst. Yeah, man. Blood clot Cardinal bird. If I tell you say every day I come look for me, think of the joke me I make. Now man, I'm a joke. Serious thing. Yeah, man. My bird them there, you know? Yeah, man. My bird them there. Yes, my people. So, yeah, I saw things set up in the people. Seeing? I saw things set up. Seeing? Like me say, it's Mother's Day. No for una get up with no bad mind. Una fi stop get up with no bad mind. Yeah? See it you know. No for una claim to say una no do nothing, you know. No for una claim to say, oh, you know, the person will do this to me. Some people do one thing to you know. And some of una heart so blood clot dirty. Wanna do that one thing there with a person that do to you know. A years pass later, I still hold that over their head, you know. Every time when I look upon the person to pussy clot that I think about. See? Are too dirty, man. See? You are too dirty. You can't expect Father God to give you forgiveness. And you. See it? And you. See it? can't forgive somebody for what them do to you. See? How you supposed to live so? See? Some of you boy want to need to do, get up today, write on your mother a letter. See it? See it? Cause like I say, I wish me can see my mother right now upon Mother's Day and go hug my mother and tell my mother say I love my mother. See it? Reach it. I write my mother a letter. See it from the heart. Some of you boy, some of you girl, with up on social media, where yappa, get up. And instead of you have the H's for your mother, get up and write your mother a letter. See it? Write your mother a letter. Show your mother how much you care about her. See it? Some of you boy like me say, you get up, you come from good mother. Some of you come from bad mother, but the mother was okay same way, because the same bad mother they put blood clot food on your pussy clot. On your table until you're hungry. That same bad mother they will beat your ass because you wasn't listening. Some of you are bad pitney. You don't want to tell the truth. Some of you did bad. Some of you didn't take no talk, didn't take heed for your mother. And just because your mother discipline on your pussy clot, you don't want to hold that the discipline there for your mother. I don't know no mother fault when you get liquid belt in your bumbo clot. I know your mother fault that you fuck up and your mother tell herself go pick your wheel or switch off of the bumbo clot wheel tree and carry come so she can beat in your ass. I know your mother fault of your fault. Some of you pitney are the bad pitney. Some of you pitney did the other year in. You ain't listen. And just because your name blood clot, listen now when your mother blood clot give you some licking at your ass, you hold it over your mama head until when you're grown. Pussy clot, Sometimes enough of we deserve to get licking at your ass. Because when you think say you did a good pitney, your name really was good pitney because your name listen and then do what your mother tell us what we do. Some of you pitney to pussy clot soon as your mother tell us if you go and go clean up sitting. Sit down there for 5 minutes before no bumbo clot move. Anytime your mother tell us if you move one time, from your mother say one time, she don't need to say it twice. Enough of you did harder hearing, and that's why enough of you against no blood clot puma. Carry bad mind for no mama, bumbo clot, and all who when I go like this Mother's Day video go suck underneath your mama, push your blood clot self back underneath there where your blood clot belong. Crawl back underneath there on a dirty bumbo hole,